In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the appearance of your mouse pointer on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select accessibility on the left panel, and then on the right side underneath vision, select where it says mouse pointer and touch. And then there'll be various styles. If you click the top drop-down menu between different colors, you can select the size of the cursor and then different themes as well. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.